Ramadan is finally here. The doors of the mercy are open right now. But let me ask you, how are you spending your nights? Are you spending them through scrolling your phone until suhoor? Are you wasting these blessed hours in deep sleep or mindless talk? Stop. Look at the clock. These minutes are gold. They are more precious than diamonds. Every second of Ramadan night is a chance for your name to be written among those saved from the fire. Tonight, we are not just talking about a routine, we are talking about a spiritual roadmap to change your life before the sun rises. If you want to feel the true sweetness of Iman Visma, this is for you. The sun has set. You have broken your fast and you have prayed Taraweeh. This is where most people make a mistake. They think the day is over. But for the believer, the real work starts now. When you come house from the masjid, don't dive into a heavy meal or movie. Keep the spirit of the mosque in your house. Make your home a place of dhikr. Keep your tongue moist with the remembrance of Allah. Instead of picking up your phone, pick up the Qur'an for just 10 more minutes. Let the peace of the prayer stay in your heart a little longer. Yes, you need to sleep, your body has a right over you, but don't just pass out from tiredness. Turn your sleep into worship. Perform wudu before you hit the pillow. Dust up your bed. Recite Ayatul Kursi. Tell Allah, Ya Allah, I am sleeping only so I can have the energy to worship you at the suhoor. When you do this, the angel pray for you while you are unconscious. Even your breathing become a reward. This is the beauty of Islam. Even our rest is a blessing. The world is silence. Everyone is dreaming. But you get up 20 minutes before suhoor. This is the most powerful time of the night. Allah, the creator of the universe, descends in the lowest heaven. He is asking, who is asking me, so may I give to him? Who is seeking my forgiveness, so I may forgive him? Don't miss this meeting. Stand in the dark. Let your tears fall and pour your heart out. Tell him your worries, your fear, and your dreams. This is the time when miracles happen. One sajda at this time is better than the whole world and everything in it. Now it's time for suhoor. The Prophet ﷺ said, take suhoor for in it there is blessing. Don't just eat to fill your stomach. Eat to follow the sunnah. Use this time to talk to your family about Allah. Use this time to make istighfar, to ask forgiveness. The scholars say that the best people are those who are seeking forgiveness right before Fajr. Imagine, as you take a sip of water, your sins are falling away. This is the mercy of your Lord. The adhan of the Fajr is about to call. This is the finish line of your night routine. Don't rush it. Pray your sunnah. When pray your fard with full focus, feel the coolness of the morning air. You have successfully conquered your nafs. You have spent your night like a true servant of the most merciful. You are not just starting a fast, you are starting a day full of noor. My brothers and sisters, Ramadan is passing like by a fast wind. We don't know if we will see the next one. Don't let these nights slip through your fingers. Don't be person who reached the end of Ramadan with a heavy heart and regret. Be the person who stood when the others slept. Be the person who cried when the other laughed. Be the person who found Allah in the silence of the night. Tonight is a new night, a new chance, a new beginning. Stand up, make wudu, and let be the night Allah look at you and say, I have